Hey, pony boy. What's up, buddy? Look at your horns are all coming in.
I know, pony boy. It's sad that your best friend's not here.
What are you doing?
Drinking.
Memory, be nice. Be nice. What's up?
Made a dam.
Hey, buddy. Onyx, you can't get out. You can't get out.
Do goats know how to do this, Dad?
Do ghosts know how to? I don't think so. Hey, buddy. Memory, be nice. She's just being a mama.
Hey.
Whenever we bring...
Hey.
Ow! Ooh, that got my hand.
Get back in. It's a defense. Pony. Oh, you can sit with me now that you tried to disobey.
Hey, come on, Pony.
Disobey now you get to...
Look at your horns. Oh my gosh. You're getting such a big boy. Yes, you are. You're not a baby anymore. Memory. You're just a protective mama, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You just get protective whenever anybody else is around your babies.
Oh! What?
She's trying to eat, dude.
Hey!